Hello, everyone. We're sending out jubilant joy, amazing health, prolific prosperity, perfect peace, and unparalleled love to everyone. And thank you ever so much for joining me here on my channel of Sparks, spiritual poetry arousing rare expectations. My name is Wayne, and I am a light worker and a poet sent to the whole world. And today's inspirational, motivational, and original poem is entitled Birds in Harmony. Of all the enormous and countless masses of different types of birds in the air, there is more than enough room and space to fly without bloodshed or warfare. Birds have the option to walk or to run, to fly, as their mode of transportation. There is harmony, camaraderie, and teamwork as they fly in synchronized formation. If only one would take the time to consider how the sky is free of tyranny, how the hawk, the owl, and eagle all share the skies in perfect tranquility. A hawk wearing a helmet or an eagle brandishing a rifle has never been seen. They all share the sky in perfect peace over white-capped mountains and valleys of green. There is a time for silence, and a time to speak your mind, a time to be heard. There is a time to lift up someone, to praise someone, or bestow a kind word. Waste no time pecking with the chicken. Rather fly with the eagle, that great bird. Make a stand for the oppressed, the homeless, the fatherless, and the less fortunate than you. Stand proud and free. Follow your desires of your heart, and all of your dreams will come true. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for listening. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, and share. And any ideas you have, even if you have an idea about a poem, let me know and I'll write it for you. And until next time, God bless you all, and namaste.